Ever wondered what could make Mr. Beast go wild? It's not about his crazy $1 to $1 million tests or his jaw-dropping donations. It's a strategy so straightforward, you'll be left wondering, why didn't that pop into my head? So, are you ready for some fun? Because this is going to be as electrifying as winning the lottery. But how did Mr. Beast go from making random videos to becoming a philanthropic powerhouse? Well, it wasn't an overnight journey. Let's take a look at how Mr. Beast started it all. Mr. Beast, or Jimmy Donaldson as he's known off the internet, didn't become a sensation overnight. His journey began in 2012 when he first started posting videos on YouTube. Back then, his content was mixed, ranging from gaming videos to commentary on the worst YouTube intros. But as he experimented and evolved, he discovered a unique approach, a winning formula. Mr. Beast started to crank out extreme challenges and epic acts of philanthropy. He was dropping videos that had people's jaws hitting the floor, like counting to a whopping 100,000 or tipping a pizza delivery guy with a cool $10,000. These vids were not just shockers, they were total game changers, and the YouTube viewers started to take notice. But Mr. Beast wasn't about to hit the pause button there. He hit the turbo button on his mission to make a difference. Remember when he launched the Team Trees campaign, aiming to plant 20 million trees? Or when he opened a free food bank? Or sold cars just for $1? His videos were no longer just about the lulz, they were about spreading the love and making a positive impact. This killer combo of entertainment and humanity is what makes Mr. Beast a true YouTube legend. It's what's earned him a spot in the YouTube Hall of Fame, and it's this very approach that our secret strategy taps into. But what strategy took Mr. Beast from a regular YouTuber to philanthropic sensation? Well, it's time to pull back the curtain. Well, it's surprisingly simple yet incredibly effective. The strategy is all about giving to gain. Yes, you heard it right. Mr. Beast's strategy revolves around giving away to gain more views, subscribers, and impact. You might be thinking, isn't that what all YouTubers do? Give away some merch or shout people out? But Mr. Beast takes it to a whole new level. He gives away massive amounts of money, cars, and even houses. He invests heavily in his videos, often spending thousands or even millions of dollars to create unique, entertaining, and impactful content. But the more he gives, the more he gains. His generosity attracts viewers, his extreme challenges keep them hooked, and his genuine desire to make a difference wins their hearts. This strategy is unique to Mr. Beast, making him stand out in the crowded world of YouTube. So the giving to gain strategy, simple, unique, and incredibly effective. And the best part, you can use it too. But more on that later. For now, let's see how this strategy plays out in Mr. Beast's videos and why it works so well. Now you might be wondering, how does Mr. Beast react when he uses his giving to gain strategy? Well, the answer is simple. He loves it. You can see the joy and excitement in his eyes every time he gives away a huge prize or completes a crazy challenge. Take, for example, the video where he opened a free car dealership and gave away dozens of cars. Or the one where he bought a private island and then gave it away to a lucky fan. In each of these videos, you can see Mr. Beast's genuine happiness at making such a big difference in people's lives. He's known for his outrageous, heartwarming giveaways that leave his fans in awe. Remember the time he tipped a waitress $10,000? Or when he gave his 40 million subscriber 40 cars? These aren't just videos, they're life-changing moments for the people involved. Mr. Beast's generosity doesn't just stop at cars and islands, he also loves to help in more personal, meaningful ways. Like when he helped a blind man see for the first time in 10 years, or when he provided a homeless man with a new home. These moments of kindness and generosity define Mr. Beast and his giving to gain strategy. And then there's the time he opened a free store where anyone could come in and take whatever they wanted. Or when he bought every item in the store and donated it all to a local food bank. These acts of kindness show how Mr. Beast uses his platform to make a real difference in people's lives. But perhaps one of the most touching moments was when he was giving a struggling mother $100,000 to help her and her daughter get back on their feet. It's moments like these that show the true power of Mr. Beast's giving to gain strategy. Mr. Beast once revealed in an interview that he often spends more money on his videos than he makes. But for him, it's not about the money. It's about the joy he gets from helping others and the impact he can make. He loves to spend and invest in his content, knowing that every dollar he puts in is used to spread joy and make a difference. So, if you're as inspired by Mr. Beast's generosity, why not show some love? Hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. But why does this strategy work so well for Mr. Beast? Well, it's simple. The answer lies in the unique blend of entertainment, shock value, and genuine goodwill that his videos offer. Firstly, the scale of his giveaways and challenges is enough to grab anyone's attention. When a YouTuber is giving away millions of dollars, buying private islands, or tipping waitresses with $10,000, people are bound to take notice. This draws viewers in and keeps them coming back for more. Secondly, MrBeast's videos are not just about giving away money or prizes, they're about creating entertaining, engaging content. The challenges, the reactions, the suspense, all of these elements make his videos fun to watch, even beyond the giveaways. Lastly, perhaps most importantly, MrBeast's strategy works because it's genuine. Viewers can tell that he truly enjoys giving back and making a difference. This authenticity resonates with people and makes them more likely to support him, whether by watching his videos, subscribing to his channel, or participating in his campaigns. In essence, MrBeast's giving to gain strategy works because it combines entertainment, generosity, and authenticity in a way that few other YouTubers do. It's a strategy that not only brings him success, but also allows him to make a positive impact on the world. You've seen how MrBeast uses the giving to gain strategy, but how can you make it work for you? Don't worry, you don't need to have millions to give away. This strategy can be tailored to fit any scale and any platform. First off, consider what you can offer. It doesn't have to be a pile of cash or pricey gifts. It could be your time, your expertise, or your platform. Could you provide free tutorials or advice? Could you use your platform to spotlight a worthy cause? The goal is to offer something valuable that your audience will appreciate. Next, make your giveaway entertaining. This could be through fun challenges, competitions, or creative presentations. The aim is to engage your audience and make your giving enjoyable. And finally, keep it real. Audiences can spot insincerity a mile away. Ensure your giving comes from a genuine desire to help and make a difference. So while you might not be able to give away islands like MrBeast, you can still apply the giving to gain strategy uniquely. It's all about providing value, creating engaging content, and staying authentic. Who knows? With this strategy, you might be the next big thing on YouTube. So viewers, the secret behind MrBeast's success is his unique giving to gain strategy, a blend of generosity, entertainment, and authenticity that allows him to make a real difference in the world. It's a strategy that any of us can adopt in our own way to make our content more engaging and impactful. So, let's take a moment to appreciate the genius of MrBeast and the power of giving. Until next time, keep creating, keep giving, and keep being awesome.